Ein-Word adjective endings, we have done the der-word adjective endings, and I have some der-word adjective endings examples here for you, and we're going to compare that with the Ein-Word adjective endings, and I will explain why they're different. So the first one I've got here, der junge Mann wartet auf den Bus. This is all nominative, all these are in nominative case, they're subjects. Now if I were going to change that to a young man is waiting on the bus. Ein junger Mann wartet auf den Bus. So up here with the der word, we have an E at the end. With the Ein word, we have an at the end. And you may be wondering why. Let me do this example with das, and I can explain why. So if I do my example with das, and I want to change the sentence, das kaputte Auto steht im Garten, if I want to change that to a broken down car instead of the broken down car, I will once again have ein kaputt ist. Ein kaputtes Auto steht im Garten. Now, the reason why we have these different endings for Ein words is because both of these examples have ein there. And if I were to just see the word ein, it wouldn't really tell me, is it masculine or is it neuter? Now, with the der word examples, if I see der, I know it's masculine. If I see das, I know it's neuter immediately. But when I see ein, I don't know that. So that's why we have to have a separate ending here so that you, the listener of the sentence, will know that this is masculine and this is neuter. So that's why there is a difference here. Now, die pretty much is going to be just like, the Ein wordings will be just like the der, die, das word endings. If I change this to a environmentally friendly bag costs a lot. Eine, as usual. Umweltfreundliche Tüte. It's just the same. So we don't really need anything else to tell us that this is feminine. Eine tells us enough. Now when I get down here to the plural, it's pretty much the same thing as the der word endings, except you need to remember that we can't say a expensive product or an expensive product. So I'm going to change our Ein word down here to keine, no expensive products, and it will be exactly the same as the der word endings. Keine teuren Produkte liegen auf dem Tisch. So once again, it's the same as we had with the der word endings. Plural, everything's going to be en. That's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions. Tschüss.